Here we go. Today I am going to show you how to get highest and second highest value using rank function. So let us jump on the screen and I'll show you how. In this particular example, we have employee name in column A. The mark which has been secured is in column B, and based upon the marks, I have just categorized them as whether it is outstanding, distinction, or above average. So we can ignore for these two columns as of now. So what I require is I need to rank the employees based upon the marks which they have secured, right? So for this, I am using something called as a rank function. So in the rank function, what will happen is that the first parameter is the number. That means the mark which they have secured. Right? So that would be B2. I'm selecting this as first parameter. The second parameter is the reference. So I need the list of all the marks which has been secured would be reference for this particular function. So I'm going to select column B, and as this is a table, I just have to select this particular mark column, right? So I'm just going to select this, and once I am done, the next parameter is whether I have to do it at a ascending order or a descending order. So I want to rank 100 as 1 and the next best as 2, right? So I'm going to select descending. Right. So once this function has been copied throughout, so I get the following ranks. Right? So 100 is ranked as 1. Sindhu has scored 85 and Shaz also has scored 85. So there is a tie here. The problem with this particular function is that after 1, 2, it does not automatically go to 3, right? So it again returns the value as 2 for the next highest value also, 85, 85. And the third highest it will return as the fourth value. So this is coming correctly, but we have a tie between these two things. So to avoid this particular thing, and if you want to have 1, 2, and 3 compulsorily, so what we can do is we have to sort this particular table first. So I'm going to sort this table, and I'm going to sort this table as per the rank, right? So it's smallest to largest. I'm sorting this. Okay. Yeah. So once I have sorted it down the order, I have uh, uh, typically everything sorted at a ascending order, right? So my next in column F, I'm gonna do one more formula. So this would be the same, right? So here it would be one, but the next criteria I need to do something different here. So I'm gonna do this formula. So if uh, E2 equal to E3, right? Only in this particular scenario, I need to mark as E2 plus 1. If not, I just have to go with E3. Right? Once I've done, if you can see here, 2 is now changed to 3. And if you want to sort in the other order, we can do the sorting in the other order also, whatever scenario which we require. Right? So I can just go here, sort this particular thing. I can add one more level, and then by I can simply state as name, and that should be alphabetical order. Yeah. So now Shaz came before Sindhu. So now Shaz is having second rank and Sindhu is having third rank. So this is how we sort the table and get the rank out of this table. So now we know that one denotes the highest mark and two denotes the second highest mark. So we can anyway know the difference between calculate the difference between the rank one and rank two easily. When with the change of values also it will reflect perfectly. So this is what I wanted to show you guys today, and thanks for watching the video. If you like my video, click like button. For more such videos, click subscribe button. Thanks.